Yo, what's good, guys? As always, it's your boy Exuler here. Welcome to this channel. This channel is going to be modding, making CFD menus and different things like that. If you guys are new to this channel, please subscribe. This is a actually, it's an in-depth video of how to get Adobe Photoshop for completely free. And it's a very safe download. You don't have to do anything besides download it and follow these steps. And please, guys, consider subscribing and liking, as I said, and comment below what other videos you want me to be posting. Anyway, guys, let's just get into this. First, you guys have to go to Google Chrome, obviously. And this is this video might get taken down because this is a little bit kind of not good to do, but like it, yeah, just yeah. What I would first recommend is you guys have Chrome extensions. Type in VPN. Sorry, I have I have a terrible setup at the moment, so yeah. I don't even know why I'm doing that. Jeez. Hold on. We can remove that. And then we can click details, I'm pretty sure, on. I'm not understanding. Oh yeah, sorry. I'm retarded. Alright, so, I'm gonna go Australia. And then my IP is now that. So after you're done doing that, you go to crowhazit.com. Type that in, and guys, this is where you can get unlimited PC games and different things like that. But right now we're not for it. You guys can take the pretty much same exact steps to get all this stuff. So this is how to pretty much download any game. It may seem crazy, but like I would definitely download it with a VPN. What you have to go is to program site, and all you guys have to do is you guys got Sony Vegas right here, wallpaper engine, you got Sony Vegas Pro 15, and then you got Photoshop CS6. Click the one that says that, and all you guys got to do is click this download button. It may bring up a random site, but all you guys have to do is just wait. Actually, you don't even have to wait. It's not even really. So it's not even in this page. What you have to mainly do is just click there. Don't like, another thing is you may want to download the DirectX, because it's a lot easier to get to the actual thing. And don't download this part. What it seemed to always work is if you download the DX or DirectX thing, and all this stuff is safe, guys. It's all clean stuff, and I already have this on my main computer. Right now I'm using this this kind of not throwaway computer, but this really old computer that I had for like 8 years now, or around 6. And yeah, guys, you just have to set up this whole thing. Sorry it's taking so long. Sorry for all the background noise, guys. Anyways, after this is done installing, which it's gonna finish right about 3, 2. Well, while we're at it, you guys see the direct download and different things like that. So anyways, all you guys have to do is like this. Hold on. This you have to have your stuff antivirus disabled for something, but I don't do it. I don't recommend it. And after the direct setup is done, which it's getting done right there, all you guys have to do is to click this download link. It's going to download in the bottom left corner where everything is. I would recommend you guys also install WinRAR, and make sure you guys check your computer version and different things like that, or it's roarlab.com. Everything will be in the link in the description below. Make sure you look up your certain bit size and different things like that, and if you guys don't know how to check that, you guys go to settings, which actually we can just do this on. Alright, no, I guess not. Oh yeah. And then all you guys have to do is type settings, or settings is actually right there. So click settings, it will open up something. It will open up the settings page. Sorry my computer's like super slow, it's because I'm downloading multiple things at once. Well, since you're in the settings tab, you can pretty much type in bit specs. Okay, guess not. And then after that, sorry about that, guys. Like you either have 32-bit or 64-bit. 64-bit won't work on 32-bit, and 32-bit will work on 64, and 64 will also work on 64. But all WinRAR is gonna pretty much tell you is pretty much you're on your computer 64-bit and you're on a 32-bit firmware pretty much. And it's just it doesn't really do anything. It doesn't really change anything. I have 32-bit. Well, my computer's 64-bit, and I have a 32-bit card. So, and then after that, you pretty much extract it or open it pretty much, and then all you guys have to do is go in here. Make sure you go in here first. Copy this. This is the key that you're gonna use after you're done. When you set this whole thing up. And then, and guys, this is the full download and stuff, and what I noticed that, it's just a very minute error, is, like, the file names are going to be a PSD, but, it's not going to be, like, it's not going to show up PSD, or PS, for the actual file. I'll show you guys what I mean. And then you pretty much just set up this whole thing, Control V the key, and then after that you install, and after that it's pretty much going to install on your device fully, and then it's a pretty much whole Adobe Photoshop CS6. And guys, I am working on my Adobe Photoshop certification as well as my Adobe Illustrator. I am certified in Microsoft Word, Excel, and PowerPoint, guys, so I have my 3 certifications for that. So, and I'm also trying to get my certification for Adobe Dreamweaver so I can make websites on that. But now it's going to have to render and fully download on the system. So after this is almost done, you just pretty much click finish. We can close all this now. Another thing that I would recommend is kind of turning this thing off. We don't need it anymore. Anyways, now it's off. I turned it on. I know for a fact. We might have not, but anyways, I don't think it matters too much, but just in case, pretty much. And then since that's installed, all you guys have to do is you get this Photoshop right here. You can open it. What I normally do is I just set this to never notify because this is a full setup and it's just really annoying when you open it and you have to like press OK. I don't want to do it. So when you click it up next, it's gonna fully load up. Sorry. Yeah. So and now you guys see it's gonna scan the plugins and different things like that. And pretty much plugins are just your computer. And there you guys go. You got Adobe Photoshop wide open right here. And what do you know, guys? You can create a new document. We'll go to US paper. That's the normal default size. And there you guys go. What we're gonna do is put like a little paintbrush right here. Save it. We're gonna have it as a PSD and save. Or no, we're just gonna have. I think we'll under that. We'll put it as test. And then after this, guys, you just pretty much do that. And then this is what I'm talking about. After you close it, and then after you close it, it's going to be in your pictures. And what do you guys know? Test PSD is in your pictures, but you don't have that little PS logo there. But that's one of those things that like I kind of don't understand. But it's a really good cracked version. So I kind of respect it a lot. What you guys do to this is you pretty much go on your hard drive now since you already have it. Sorry. And it should. You can probably just search the file. Sorry. Guess not. But anyways, that's weird. But like. For some reason it anyways, that's I'll probably put Adobe Photoshop in one of my program files so I can just click it and open it up that way. But anyways, this is going to be another test. You open it up, works fine, no errors, no nothing. And guys, I am going to be teaching you guys how to edit different things like that in the next video. So anyways, well, all we have to do is go to open, test it right here. See, when you're in Photoshop, it will have the PS and the PSD logo, and all you guys see right here is now you guys have the Photoshop EPS and EPS or DCS 2.N and different things like that. So after that, it's gonna always be on all formats. It's not gonna be on PSD like a regular. If you would actually have to purchase the Photoshop. So anyways, you click open, and then there you guys go. The same stuff I made is right here, and it works perfectly fine. And you can extract different images and different things like that. And everything works in this. So if you guys enjoyed this video, sorry for such a long video. Please subscribe, smash the like button, turn post notifications on, and Zoggy's out. Or, what am I saying? Exuler's out. Peace, guys.